Hi, I'm Grace. Welcome to Common English Words. Today we're going to learn 100 of the most useful chores in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sweep the floor. I sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor. I sweep the floor.
Mop the floor. I mop the floor.
Mop the floor. I mop the floor.
Vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet.
Vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet.
Dust the furniture. I dust the furniture.
Dust the furniture. I dust the furniture.
Wipe the table. I wipe the table.
Wipe the table. I wipe the table.
Clean the windows. I clean the windows.
Clean the windows. I clean the windows.
Wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
Dry the dishes. I dry the dishes.
Dry the dishes. I dry the dishes.
Load the dishwasher. I load the dishwasher.
Load the dishwasher. I load the dishwasher.
Unload the dishwasher. I unload the dishwasher.
Unload the dishwasher. I unload the dishwasher.
Scrub the sink. I scrub the sink.
Scrub the sink. I scrub the sink.
Clean the stove. I clean the stove.
Clean the stove. I clean the stove.
Clean the oven. I clean the oven.
Clean the oven. I clean the oven.
Clean the microwave. I clean the microwave.
Clean the microwave. I clean the microwave.
Take out the trash. I take out the trash.
Take out the trash. I take out the trash.
Change the trash bag. I change the trash bag.
Change the trash bag. I change the trash bag.
Clean the fridge. I clean the fridge.
Clean the fridge. I clean the fridge.
Organize the pantry. I organize the pantry.
Organize the pantry. I organize the pantry.
Wipe kitchen counters. I wipe the kitchen counters.
Wipe kitchen counters. I wipe the kitchen counters.
Disinfect doorknobs and switches. I disinfect doorknobs and switches.
Disinfect doorknobs and switches. I disinfect doorknobs and switches.
Do the laundry. I do the laundry.
Do the laundry. I do the laundry.
Hang the clothes to dry. I hang the clothes.
Hang the clothes to dry. I hang the clothes.
Fold the clothes. I fold the clothes.
Fold the clothes. I fold the clothes.
Iron the clothes. I iron the clothes.
Iron the clothes. I iron the clothes.
Put away the laundry. I put away the laundry.
Put away the laundry. I put away the laundry.
Sort the laundry. I sort the laundry.
Sort the laundry. I sort the laundry.
Wash the bed sheets. I wash the bed sheets.
Wash the bed sheets. I wash the bed sheets.
Change the bed sheets. I change the bed sheets.
Change the bed sheets. I change the bed sheets.
Make the bed. I make the bed.
Make the bed. I make the bed.
Organize the closet. I organize the closet.
Organize the closet. I organize the closet.
Declutter the wardrobe. I clean the wardrobe.
Declutter the wardrobe. I clean the wardrobe.
Pack away seasonal clothes. I pack away clothes.
Pack away seasonal clothes. I pack away clothes.
Organize the drawers. I organize the drawers.
Organize the drawers. I organize the drawers.
Clean the shoe rack. I clean the shoe rack.
Clean the shoe rack. I clean the shoe rack.
Polish shoes. I polish shoes.
Polish shoes. I polish shoes.
Pick up toys. I pick up toys.
Pick up toys. I pick up toys.
Put books back on the shelf. I put books back.
Put books back on the shelf. I put books back.
Declutter the living room. I clean the living room.
Declutter the living room. I clean the living room.
Organize the home office. I organize the office.
Organize the home office. I organize the office.
Arrange pillows and cushions. I arrange pillows.
Arrange pillows and cushions. I arrange pillows.
Vacuum the couch. I vacuum the couch.
Vacuum the couch. I vacuum the couch.
Water the indoor plants. I water the plants.
Water the indoor plants. I water the plants.
Wipe the TV screen. I wipe the TV.
Wipe the TV screen. I wipe the TV.
Sort and take out recycling. I take out recycling.
Sort and take out recycling. I take out recycling.
Take care of pets. I take care of pets.
Take care of pets. I take care of pets.
Cook a meal. I cook a meal.
Cook a meal. I cook a meal.
Prepare the ingredients. I prepare the ingredients.
Prepare the ingredients. I prepare the ingredients.
Chop vegetables. I chop vegetables.
Chop vegetables. I chop vegetables.
Boil water. I boil water.
Boil water. I boil water.
Set the table. I set the table.
Set the table. Set the table.
Clear the table. I clear the table.
Clear the table. I clear the table.
Pack leftovers. I pack leftovers.
Pack leftovers. I pack leftovers.
Clean the dining table. I clean the table.
Clean the dining table. I clean the table.
Wash the kitchen towels. I wash the towels.
Wash the kitchen towels. I wash the towels.
Take out compost. I take out compost.
Take out compost. I take out compost.
Change a light bulb. I change a light bulb.
Change a light bulb. I change a light bulb.
Fix a leaky faucet. I fix the faucet.
Fix a leaky faucet. I fix the faucet.
Repair broken furniture. I fix the furniture.
Repair broken furniture. I fix the furniture.
Unclog the drain. I unclog the drain.
Unclog the drain. I unclog the drain.
Paint the walls. I paint the walls.
Paint the walls. I paint the walls.
Hammer a nail. I hammer a nail.
Hammer a nail. I hammer a nail.
Assemble furniture. I assemble furniture.
Assemble furniture. I assemble furniture.
Tighten loose screws. I tighten the screws.
Tighten loose screws. I tighten the screws.
Patch a hole in the wall. I patch a hole.
Patch a hole in the wall. I patch a hole.
Clean the gutters. I clean the gutters.
Clean the gutters. I clean the gutters.
Mow the lawn. I mow the lawn.
Mow the lawn. I mow the lawn.
Trim the hedges. I trim the hedges.
Trim the hedges. I trim the hedges.
Rake the leaves. I rake the leaves.
Rake the leaves. I rake the leaves.
Water the plants. I water the plants.
Water the plants. I water the plants.
Pull out weeds. I pull out weeds.
Pull out weeds. I pull out weeds.
Plant flowers or vegetables. I plant flowers.
Plant flowers or vegetables. I plant flowers.
Wash the car. I wash the car.
Wash the car. I wash the car.
Sweep the driveway. I sweep the driveway.
Sweep the driveway. I sweep the driveway.
Take out the recycling bin. I take out the bin.
Take out the recycling bin. I take out the bin.
Clean the garage. I clean the garage.
Clean the garage. I clean the garage.
Babysit younger siblings. I babysit my brother.
Babysit younger siblings. I babysit my brother.
Read bedtime stories. I read a story.
Read bedtime stories. I read a story.
Help with homework. I help with homework.
Help with homework. I help with homework.
Prepare school lunches. I make lunch.
Prepare school lunches. I make lunch.
Pack school bags. I pack the bag.
Pack school bags. I pack the bag.
Walk the dog. I walk the dog.
Walk the dog. I walk the dog.
Brush the pet's foo. I brush my pet.
Brush the pet's foo. I brush my pet.
Clean the pet's litter box. I clean the litter box.
Clean the pet's litter box. I clean the litter box.
Refill pet's food and water. I feed my pet.
Refill pet's food and water. I feed my pet.
Take care of sick family members. I help my family.
Take care of sick family members. I help my family.
Decorate for holidays. I decorate for holidays.
Decorate for holidays. I decorate for holidays.
Wrap gifts. I wrap gifts.
Wrap gifts. I wrap gifts.
Plan a family event. I plan an event.
Plan a family event. I plan an event.
Sort old clothes for donation. I sort old clothes.
Sort old clothes for donation. I sort old clothes.
Organize a garage sale. I set up a sale.
Organize a garage sale. I set up a sale.
Shovel snow. I shovel snow.
Shovel snow. I shovel snow.
Check the mailbox. I check the mail.
Check the mailbox. I check the mail.
Replace air filters. I change the filter.
Replace air filters. I change the filter.
Clean the attic. I clean the attic.
Clean the attic. I clean the attic.
Clean the basement. I clean the basement.
Clean the basement. I clean the basement.
Pay the bills. I pay the bills.
Pay the bills. I pay the bills.
Create a shopping list. I make a list.
Create a shopping list. I make a list.
Grocery shopping. I buy groceries.
Grocery shopping. I buy groceries.
Fill up the gas. I fill up the gas.
Fill up the gas. I fill up the gas.
Plan weekly meals. I plan meals.
Plan weekly meals. I plan meals.
That's all for today. Want to learn more useful English words? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.